Ever get a raise and realize your bank account looks exactly the same a month later? You're not alone. Suddenly, that premium coffee, the latest tech, and designer clothes start appearing in your daily routine. This is lifestyle inflation, also known as the hedonic treadmill. It's the silent killer of wealth building. It usually starts with a career milestone. You've worked hard, and you feel like you finally deserve the best. The promotion leads to a luxury car lease or a much larger apartment. Your needs expand to meet your income. We often mistake a high-consumption lifestyle for wealth. But there is a massive difference between looking rich and being wealthy. When your expenses rise in lockstep with your salary, your net worth remains at zero. You're just running faster to stay in place. The real danger isn't the money you spend today. It's the compounding interest you lose for tomorrow. Consider two people. One keeps their modest car and invests their raise. The other upgrades immediately. Fast forward 10 years. The investor has a portfolio that works for them, while the other is still chasing the next paycheck. Every luxury purchase today is a trade-off against your future freedom. It's an invisible opportunity cost. Social pressure plays a huge role. We scroll through curated feeds and feel the need to keep up with the Joneses. This constant comparison is like a race with no finish line. It's an exhausting cycle of trying to impress people who aren't paying attention. So, how do we stop the leak? The first step is to pay yourself first by automating your savings. Try the 24-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase, wait a full day. Often, the need disappears with the impulse. Financial freedom isn't about deprivation. It's about choosing a life of security over a life of status symbols. When you control your lifestyle, you control your future. Build a life you don't need to escape from. Start your journey to true wealth today. Subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom.